click to start button, open setting, click to systems and slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and Windows update. So this command user troubleshoot have any issue, stop any service, and uh, any issue, so automatically he is restart. So this command, so please wait few minutes. And second method, it's running no problem, so background windows are sorry, click to start button and type cmd, run as administrator, click to yes. Okay, showing some. So check the Windows update issue detected, no issue. So okay, so other issue actually. So type sfc space slash scan now and then enter. So guys, this command used for some corrupted Windows corrupted file to repair automatically. Windows also, C drive also. So this is scans and repair automatically. Okay, so do not close this and just minimize. And guys, in this update .NET also issue, so double click to Chrome browser and .NET repair tool offline. So here .NET repair tool and download and then open. Yes, I accept. Next, next. Complete. Okay, finish. So it is working background. So okay, and one more thing guys, you in C drive delete some files, Windows downloaded files that are also coming this error. Actually you go to this PC and C drive, Windows, system 32, system 32 cart root, select all and shift delete, permanently delete, and you check continue and then skip. This file is not deleted, is not problem. Okay, so only I want one click, one file also. And then one more, software distributions. This file, software distribution. So open select all, shift delete permanently, and then continue, then check, and then skip. Okay, and guys, when finish this and proper restart and then check. Okay.